Unlocking Success, Mastering the Art of Drumming Up Business. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's essential for anyone stepping into the business world or simply looking to expand their English vocabulary. Drum up business. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. Drum up business is an idiomatic expression used to describe the efforts made by individuals or companies to attract new customers or clients. It's about creating interest in your products or services and generating more sales. The imagery of drumming, with its loud, attention-getting sound, perfectly captures the essence of these activities, making noise in the market to catch people's attention. While the exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, it's widely believed to relate back to the days when street vendors, performers, or town criers would literally use drums or other instruments to gather people's attention. This historical context helps us understand the metaphorical use of drumming as doing something that draws attention or encourages interest. To help you master the use of this phrase, let's look at some examples. The marketing team is launching a new social media campaign to drum up business for our latest product. Small businesses often rely on creative strategies to drum up business during slow seasons. After the renovation, the restaurant held a grand reopening event to drum up business. These examples show that drum up business can be used in various contexts, from marketing campaigns to special events aimed at attracting customers. 1. Innovate. Always look for new and creative ways to promote your products or services. 2. Engage with your community. Whether online or in person, building relationships can significantly help in drumming up business. 3. Offer incentives. Discounts, promotions, and special offers are great ways to attract attention and new customers. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like drum up business can enhance your English communication, especially in professional settings. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase's meaning, origins, and usage for you. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.